Ah crap, the sniper rifle didn't help. Well, welcome to another episode of Super Mario Sunshine Bloopers. And I'm still trying to kill that dumb wiggler. Spray it now. Why did I thought of that before? You're just too stupid. This better work. I'm giving up. A stinking sniper rifle didn't even help. I just might as well quit trying. Pro coins for 5 seconds. Let's do this. Pro coins didn't help. Why can't you have spraying that first in the first place, Mario? Did they even make sense? I mean, why can't you have just sprayed the plant first and then wait for Wiggler to come in the first part of the episode, in the first half of this episode? And you had to go to the store. Better have fun and wanted this time. Let's kill it. Owned it! Total owned it! Hurrah! I finally killed that thing! I took the whole video to kill that thing. Like the whole part of the next episode. The last episode. What? Let's do this. Let's do this. Zoom. That full crap. It still sounds like banjo. No, banjo sounds like this. Oh yeah. The sandbird is born. It's goal. It's a goal. Like that. Dun 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 dun. Hey, guess what? The sandbird. It finally hatched. Don't bother looking for it though. It flew off right away. I'm looking for it. Well, who cares? I'm looking for it. You idiot. The guy just said it flew away. Screw you, Flood. We're going up to the place where it hatched. There's nothing you can do about it. Except complain. Because that's what you're good at. Hey, shut up. You imbecile. Pretcho. Pew. Whoa. What? Another bug in a cloud. What's that? Holy crap, it's a sandbird! Look. Oh, I think there's a sandbird. Look how gay it looks. Hey, don't compliment on this beautiful creature of nature. This beautiful creature. It's an urban myth. No, it's not. We're standing right on it, you stupid flood. I think that's better. That's the same thing you had it on, cameraman. Oops. Wait, sandbird looks. I'm going to destroy the sandbird. No, Flood! I am getting it all wet. Why won't it die? Because it's a real cool legend. And cool legends don't die. They stay the same. Oh crap! Ah! Sandbird, what are you doing? Oh, this is way better. I'm scared of heights. That's not its belly. Throw the sand blocks. No dips. It is called the sandbird. Oh no! Oh no! Sandbird! Come save me! Wah! Wah! Fuck! Ooh, get shells. I better get to this time. That did. That took you. Let's kill the sandbird. What crap do you want to be so violent, Flood? You programmed you. Professor Egad. Oh, I know him. He's a weird baby. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Fuck! Ha 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 ha! Shut the crap up, Flood. I hope you die. Not even gonna be sad about it. You die a lot, Mario. I am very impressed. In fact, you should probably be on the Guinness Book of World Records for person who dies the most. I'm on the Guinness Book of World Records because I'm the most popular video game character ever, and also for the best-selling video game in the world. What is it? Your stupid Mario What is it? The stupid Mario educational game? No, it's Super Mario Bros. For your information. If you never repeated the game, it'll be fraud stupidness. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ha 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 ha! Sandman! Ah! Crap! Don't do this! My nose. This looks like the sandbird looks like a ripoff of Duck Hunt. Screw you, Flood. You don't even know what the bird is before you see it. I do know, but this looks like a huge duck. You're a huge duck. You're a huge duck yourself. Aha! There it is! Thanks, Sandbird! Hooray! Let's catch it. What? W-O-T. That's what was pretty funny, though. Let's go in it again. No, 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 we're not going in there again. Hey, God, I got on fire! Oh, I'm on fire! Let me play you. But first, I'm food. Oh, I thought I told you. No, first apple. That's the way you went. Die! I think I'm gonna be sick. Barf. What was that for? You look like Barney. I think I'm still, you idiot. Barf. Barf. Why do you keep going barf for, Fred? You jumping around like a fool made me puke. Really saving things a bundle. Okay. Well, that looks like our show today. See ya, subscribe, rate, and comment. Or else I'll barf on you. Bye!